Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I want to show you how you can get DNS traffic information from Linux to Splunk with the Tcpdump add-on using two different methods. And this test not to work, I have three Linux systems: CentOS, Debian, and the Splunk server. I will show you how to run Tcpdump both CentOS and Debian and send the output of Tcpdump to the Splunk server. The installation steps are listed on the add-on page on the Splunk base. Let's go through them. The first method to get the tcpdump output is by using scripted input. I will demonstrate it on CentOS, but it should work with other Linux distributions too. Download and install Splunk Forwarder. Then check that tcpdump is installed, and if not, install it. By default, only root user can run tcpdump. Splunk user cannot run Tcpdump. I don't want to run the Splunk forwarder as root because it is a security risk. Instead, I will modify the capabilities of the Tcpdump binary to allow the user Splunk to start Tcpdump. Be aware that these capabilities get lost if the tcpdump package gets updated, so you will need to reapply them after the update. Then install the Tcpdump add-on. Then install the Tcpdump add-on. And then configure forwarding. After that, restart Splunk forwarder. Here we are. Now generate some DNS traffic using the host command. Let's check if I can see the data on the Splunk server. Here it is. Now you can use another app like DNS Insight to visualize the DNS traffic. Let's install it on Debian. I will use another method to get DNS traffic information to Splunk. Tcpdump will run as a service and output into log, and Splunk forwarder will read this Tcpdump log. So first download and install Splunk forwarder, then check if Tcpdump is installed, and if not, install it. And then install the Tcpdump add-on. Configure inputs.conf. Then copy a provided unit file for the Tcpdump service to the etc systemd system folder. Now execute systemctl daemon reload. Enable auto start of the service. And start the Tcpdump service. Also copy the provided locrotate file to etc locrotate-d. Now configure forwarding. After that, restart Splunk forwarder. Now generate some DNS traffic using the host command. After a couple of seconds, I can see the data from Debian on the Splunk server. What if I want to see other traffic than DNS, for example, DHCP? I need to modify the configuration by changing the port and the source type. The port and the source type. What are the advantages of using this add-on? It is lightweight. Tcpdump has a low memory footprint and resource usage. No need to run a heavy forwarder. It is more secure than other methods because Tcpdump is a stable and well-tested software. Make sure that you have the latest Tcpdump version, at least 4.9.2.